People, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and you are listening to...
You know it's Ras Ira, the musical terrorist.
And right now, I'm about to feature a track that is just been officially released. The artist that goes by the name of Cash XO, featuring the artist that goes by the name of Lil Hanky Panky. Alright? Male and female artists. Alright. This track I'm about to feature is all in aid of a campaign to free Mr. Anthony Patterson, aka Rooster, who is sadly castrated in the United States, has been castrated for 18 years and counting for marijuana, ganja. Alright. Ras Ira no depend no long talking. It's all about promoting the freedom of Mr. Anthony Patterson, aka Rooster. The track I'm about to feature, it's called Getting There. The campaign for free Rooster, aka Mr. Anthony Patterson, it's called Getting There. Alright? You see all of the people in our campaign, there is t-shirts, there is sweatbands, there is baseball caps, etc.
Currently, Rooster's in a federal prison serving a 25-year sentence for marijuana possession. Support cannabis clemency.
Lambo driver, bad roll, Kingston to LA.
Shouts out Rooster. I talk, I don't listen. I bought from a pivot. I'm still trying to get it. I'm round town, land truck, no 10. I've been OT, no cash, I ain't miss. Rose gold bust down, just look how it's hit. My Cartier sitting, Rollie is sitting, AP sitting. Watch that bust. Niggas be sad, niggas be broke, going out like a joke. That can't be us. That can't be us, and we can't be touched. Came from the bottom, my niggas is up. In love with that money, it give me a rush. Young nigga won't get it, I came from the mud. You look in my pocket, you see some dust.
You know me not play it out, right?
Shooting no shot and you miss it.
Promotion and only.
I bought from a pivot, I'm still trying to get it, I'm round.
Promo only.
I've been OT.
World premiere.
Go bust down, just look how it's hit. My Cartier sitting, Rollie is sitting, AP sitting.
Cash XO. Featuring Lil Hanky Panky.
Man them free for walking in my space. Man them free for talking in my face. Man them run, cause I'm know me not do it for the fun. And I'm beg me not trade.
Vivo, YouTube. It's also obtainable on all digital platforms. Rooster is also on the intro of this tune. Okay? Rooster is very prolific in the music world. Rooster is also responsible for the artist we call Lil Hanky Panky. Rooster is doing very well, regardless to being in castration. Please help for free Rooster. Rooster has been sentenced, I think it's 25 years for marijuana. 1,000 pounds of marijuana. Come on. The man has been sentenced for something that is legal in how many states in the country he is serving sentence. Look, I like my one. Free Rooster. Free Rooster. Free Rooster.
Big bets. Big bets. Big bets. Big bets. Formatic in a big bet.
Once again, people, look at the crowd. Look around you. You see BMW, you see people, you see all these, you see Ben. Okay, Ben. We just say Ben.
Big bets. Big bets. Formatic in a big bet.
Rooster.
AMG. Big bets. S560. Big bets. Big bets. Big bets. Formatic in a big bets. AMG. Big bets. S560. Big bets. Can't talk to grown folks like we're children.
You know it's Ras Ira, the musical terrorist.
People, the video are playing Cash XO featuring Lil Hanky Panky. Getting There is the title. Getting There is the name of the campaign what is running for free Mr. Anthony Patterson, aka Rooster. Please, let's make it happen. Manners and respect.